Are you one of those people who carries a bottle of hot sauce with you? If so, you're not alone by any means. For hundreds of years, spices were a major trading commodity throughout the world. Hot and flavorful dishes from Central and South America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East have made their way around the world. But is it safe to eat spicy foods on a daily basis? Here are 5 things that happen to your body when you eat spicy foods every day. 1. Good for your heart. One of the compounds that makes spicy food hot is called capsaicin. You may have heard of it because of its health properties. Capsaicin has been shown in studies to have good effects on cholesterol, boosting HDL, good, cholesterol and suppressing LDL, bad, cholesterol. It also has shown a beneficial effect on blood circulation, which reduces the risks of stroke or heart attack. 2. Inflammation in your body. Inflammation is caused by your immune system overcorrecting for a minor threat. This can lead to such conditions as arthritis in your joints and ligaments. However, hot peppers are loaded with capsaicin, which is also a natural anti-inflammatory full of antioxidants. But if you can handle the heat, you may as well get your capsaicin the old-fashioned way, by eating it. 3. Spicy food makes your sinuses happy. Capsaicin has another benefit you may have already figured out: spicy food makes your nose run. This is a good thing, especially if you have sinus issues and need to take over-the-counter decongestants. Rather than taking those, you can keep your sinuses flowing with a little spice in your food. Peppers are high in vitamin A, which helps strengthen your body, so it's also doing you a favor in helping keep your nasal membranes healthy. 4. Lose weight. Here's a benefit to spicy food that you probably never considered. Spicy food is the polar opposite of sweet food. If you are trying to lose weight, you may have trouble with sugar cravings. 5. Reduce your risk of cancer. Capsaicin has another trick up its sleeve. In medical studies, it has been shown to be effective at combating some kinds of cancer cells. This does not mean that this is a cancer cure or even a cancer treatment. It does mean that capsaicin has a negative effect on cancer cells.